What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the latest and greatest from Nvidia, the Jetson Orin Nano. This compact powerhouse is set to revolutionize AI technology as we know it. Whether you're into robotics, drones, or the future of smart cities, this beast is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Ready to explore the next frontier of AI? Let's dive in and see what makes the Jetson Orin Nano a game changer. Alright, let's dive in. You're probably wondering what's so special about the Jetson Orin Nano. Well, this compact powerhouse is a game changer. It's a super compact AI module that delivers astonishing processing power, all in a sleek, tiny design. We're talking 40 TOPS. That's trillion operations per second of raw AI muscle. It's small, it's powerful, and it's engineered for one purpose: to enable real-time AI at the edge. That means everything from autonomous drones to robots navigating intricate environments. No cloud dependency, just pure edge AI brilliance. Let's dive into the details. The Orin Nano is built on Nvidia's cutting-edge Orin system-on-chip architecture, the same technology that powers some of the world's most advanced AI systems today. Designed for efficiency, it delivers maximum performance while keeping power consumption to a minimum. This powerhouse can tackle a wide range of tasks effortlessly. Equipped with 4 GB of memory and built-in GPU acceleration, it's perfectly optimized for real-time AI applications, handling tasks like video analysis and autonomous navigation with ease. And the best part? All this processing happens locally, eliminating the need to send data to the cloud. So, why is the Jetson Orin Nano a game changer for AI? Edge computing is the future, and the Jetson Orin Nano is at the forefront of this revolution. Instead of relying on the cloud for processing, AI computations happen directly on the device. This means real-time processing, faster decision-making, minimal lag, and greater autonomy. Picture robots in warehouses making split-second decisions, drones autonomously navigating hazardous areas, or self-driving cars instantly analyzing their surroundings. All made possible by edge AI running locally on a device the size of your palm. Before we dive deeper into how this AI powerhouse is revolutionizing the tech landscape, if you're enjoying this exploration of cutting-edge AI, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on more groundbreaking tech insights, and you'll definitely want to stay updated with our latest content. Stick with us for more exciting tech adventures. Now let's dive into the exciting future that lies ahead. The Jetson Orin Nano isn't just enhancing AI capabilities, it's embedding AI into every aspect of our lives. We're at the dawn of a revolutionary era in AI, where autonomous systems operate seamlessly, intelligently, and independently, all while being energy efficient. From robots to self-driving cars, this chip is elevating their intelligence to new heights. Imagine real-time video analysis, facial recognition, autonomous driving, and so much more, all happening directly on the device. And here's the game changer. It's all being achieved with minimal power consumption, making it a sustainable and eco-friendly solution for powering the AI-driven future. So where do we see this groundbreaking technology in action? The Jetson Orin Nano is already revolutionizing various industries. Imagine agriculture, where AI meticulously monitors crops, or industrial automation, where robots seamlessly collaborate with humans. It's empowering drones to inspect infrastructure, oversee power lines, and even autonomously monitor entire cities. Smaller footprint, more power. The Orin Nano is a game changer for any industry where space is limited and performance is crucial. And with its remarkable energy efficiency, it's the ideal solution for devices that need to operate 24/7 without the hassle of constant charging or maintenance. Edge AI is the future, and Nvidia is at the forefront with the Jetson Orin Nano. Picture a world with smarter robots, autonomous drones, and cities that can monitor and respond to events in real time. This is just the beginning of what's possible. Nvidia's vision is to make AI smart, real-time, and ubiquitous. The Jetson Orin Nano is the key to unlocking this new era of innovation. It's not just about having powerful AI, it's about making that AI accessible anywhere, on any device instantly. So, what's your take on the Jetson Orin Nano? Is this the future of AI, or just a small step towards something even bigger? Let's dive into the possibilities together. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know what you think. Your insights could spark the next big idea. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay safe, everyone. Keep exploring the world of AI.